Welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Tovia. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make Southern style pinto beans in your slow cookers or crock pots. You'll find all the ingredients in the description field of this video, as well as throughout the ticker that will be featured in the bottom portion of this video. So I'm going to begin by saying if you don't like some of these ingredients, just leave them out. Change up what ingredients you desire. So I have here 1 pound of dried pinto beans that I've already gone through and just picked throughout all the bad beans. And you don't have to soak the pinto beans. If you want to pre-soak the pinto beans, then they will just require less cooking time. So to the pinto beans, I'm going to add 1 onion, 2 stalks of celery that I've chopped up, as well as 1 bell pepper, and I just used the orange bell pepper. I have some leftover spiral ham that I had from the holidays. So that's like 2 pounds of that spiral ham. And I've used the honey ham, but I didn't put any of that coating on the outside. To that I'm going to add 5.5 cups of beef stock. And I topped off the beef stock with 2 cups of water. This is so super easy. Now, I want to tell you guys, if you're new to my channel, or if you're a returning subscriber, don't forget to check out my previous videos, because I know a lot of you are not getting my notifications. So I just added to that 2 tablespoons of garlic powder, as well as 2 teaspoons of onion powder, teaspoon of black pepper, and also I'm just going to put in some liquid smoke. And I'm using mesquite flavored liquid smoke, and I'm going to add a tablespoon of that liquid smoke. Salt, I'm going to add the salt in the end, because beef broth has a lot of salt in it. Naturally it does when it's made. So switch our slow cooker on high. We're going to put the lid on. Now I'm going to let this go for about 5.5 hours to about 7 hours. It just really depends on your crock pots. But I'm pretty familiar with mine, so we're just going to let this go for about 5.5 to 7 hours, or until the beans are nice and tender. So it's been exactly 6 hours, and I had this on high for 6 hours. And pull this off. I'm going to turn the heat off. Turn it off. And this is done. So I'm just give everything a stir. I'm gonna break all that ham up. The ham is so tender, it's just gonna fall apart. Just look at that. It looks so delicious. So I'm just gonna mash up some of the beans. So what I'm gonna do is just remove just a handful of those beans out the bowl. I'm trying to avoid having a ham, but it's okay. Spoon here, and I'm just going to mash the beans up. We're just going to return the mashed up beans to our slow cooker. Give this a stir. So here is the pinto beans. I stirred this with my fried cornbread. I have a video coming up on that soon. This is one of my favorite cornbreads I've been eating since I was young. My grandmother used to make this all the time. So I'm going to give this a taste. And you can serve this with rice. I have some rice over here I'm going to serve this with. Look at all those pieces of ham. And you can see the bell peppers and celery and onion really cooked down a lot as well. Don't forget to taste for salt at the end. Here we go. Wow, amazing. Taste all those onions and peppers and the flavor from the celery, and all that flavor from the beef stock really give the beans really nice deftness of flavor. Just love it. Delicious. Don't forget to check out my previous videos. Add this video to your playlist. Please leave me a comment down below. And I'll do my best to get back to you guys. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and please remember to live and be well. Let's come together and love each other. Thank you so much for watching.